I, S.Vaidyanathan, having been appointed Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
217 of the Constitution of India, the President of pleased to appoint Chief Justice S.Vaidyanathan, Judge of the Madras High Court, to be Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court with effect from the date he assumed charge of his office. By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Justice S. Vaidyanathan, Judge of the Madras High Court, to be the Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court with effect from the date he assumed charge of his office, given at Rajya Bhavan, New Delhi, the same day of February in the year 2024. In the